Hey guys, welcome back. So today's hair tutorial is going to be by a company with the name of WowEbony. This is my first time working with them, and so today the wig I'm going to be reviewing is their Yaki Straight 150% density. This is going to be their 18-inch, and it is not, the knots are not bleached, but it does come pre-plucked. And it also has 3 combs in there and adjustable band in the back. And so this is going to be the wig freshly washed. Yes, I did wash the wig this time because I kind of cheated the last time. And someone in the comments caught me. So yes, I did wash the wig this time, and I did flat iron it. This is going to be my first time, like I said, trying Yaki, and I was actually impressed. I've actually stayed away from it because to me, I felt like Yaki, you could kind of tell that it was like fake. But this hair, it was so soft, it was so smooth. I honestly don't see the difference between Yaki and Brazilian, at least not with this wig. So I actually put sorry guys for the gum, I do not chew throughout the whole video. But yes, so I actually had the adjustable straps overlapped. And then I like to do that now because then it doesn't require me to use glue at the top. I did use glue at the top this time, but I actually don't have to. So if you want to go ahead and try that trick, and next time leave comments down below. So you'll just actually overlap the adjustable straps and you'll make it tight so that you will only need to use the glue probably from like your temples, from like right there to below, which is not a lot of room at all, and it will actually help your edges. And so I did go ahead and I did put just a little bit of glue because I knew I was going to be doing some baby hairs, and I'm very rough. You want to be light when you're up there and you decide not to like glue it down. But I know I'm heavy-handed, and so I know when I go to like doing my baby hairs, it will kind of lift up. But yes, and so this wig, at first I was just like, oh, okay, so maybe I need to go in and pluck a little bit. But once you start to use like the Cara wax stick and you start to use the hot comb, everything starts to melt in place. And I was just like, okay, you know, I don't have to go in and pluck anymore. So this is a great wig to just slap on and go. Awesome wig for new beginners. And yes, so I was having problems doing my baby hair, so I kind of honestly just skipped through this side right here. You're going to see me actually do it, but then I just decided to lift it back up and do it off camera. But the other side was good to go. And so with my other side, I didn't do the baby hairs all the way down. I like to go ahead and cheat because I have that swoop coming to the side, which hides the side baby hairs. So yes, if you struggle with baby hairs and the only thing that you want to do is one side and then the top, baby girl, do it, because that is how I learned. Practice makes perfect, hun, and I am not perfect any means. And so the shedding on this was about a 1. All hair sheds, we all know that. It was about a 1, and then tangling, no tangling at all. I actually wore this hair for 3 days. After my pink wig, I wore this hair for 3 days, and so this was banging. I didn't even have to run a flat iron through it. The only thing I did the next day was run the hot comb over it, and that was it. And I will put this up in like a ponytail, or I will put it up in like pin it up. So yes, I love this wig. It was awesome. And so that is going to wrap up this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, hun.